If you think AI is slowing down, you're already behind. In this video, I'll show you the 3 biggest AI moves happening right now in finance and crypto. And at the end, I'll give you a simple action plan you can copy today. Welcome to NeoMind Creators. If you're a creator or a business owner using AI for finance and crypto, or trying to, this is for you. Today, we're breaking down the 3 biggest AI moves through a finance and crypto lens. Model upgrades powering trading tools, real AI deployments, making money, and new regulations that could catch most people off guard. Let's start with move number 1. Move number 1. The AI model race is turbocharging finance and crypto tools. AI infrastructure spending is exploding. Big tech is pouring hundreds of billions into compute. And that power is flowing straight into trading systems, risk models, and crypto analytics. What does that mean for you? Smarter trading bots, faster signal generation, and AI models that can process entire order books, sentiment feeds, and on-chain data in a single pass. Instead of basic indicators, AI can now simulate liquidation risks, stress test portfolios, and adapt strategies in real time as markets move. As a creator, this means faster research and higher quality scripts. You can prompt AI to generate 5-minute faceless finance videos optimized for retention, then turn them into full videos in minutes. As a business owner or trader, it means dashboards that don't just show data, they interpret it, flag risks, and surface opportunities automatically. But models alone don't make money. That brings us to move number 2. Move number 2. AI deployments are exploding across finance and crypto. AI is no longer experimental. It's live in customer support, trading automation, DeFi analytics, and market monitoring. AI agents are already handling crypto support tickets, onboarding users, and summarizing portfolio performance. In trading, they combine sentiment, price action, and on-chain signals to adapt faster than static bots ever could. In DeFi, agent-based systems are starting to automate settlements, liquidity, routing, and yield analysis, reducing human latency and operational costs. For creators, this means full automation pipelines. One agent pulls prices, another generates market recaps, and another prepares publish-ready content. For crypto businesses, AI agents can score leads by wallet behavior, monitor protocol risk, and scale trading or research workflows without adding headcount. But with power comes pressure, and that leads to move number 3. Move number 3. Regulations are tightening around AI and crypto. Governments are paying close attention to AI-driven financial systems. New rules are targeting trading bots, tokenized AI products, and automated decision-making. In Europe, high-risk AI systems, including financial and crypto applications, will require documentation, oversight, and transparency. Other regions are increasing reporting requirements, especially around crypto activity and automated analysis. For creators, this means clearly labeling AI-generated financial content. For traders and businesses, it means auditing AI workflows, logging decisions, and keeping humans in the loop. Ignoring compliance won't just slow you down, it could shut you down. Now let's ground this in today's market reality. Crypto markets are volatile. Bitcoin has seen sharp downside pressure, risk assets are shaky, and regulatory uncertainty is increasing. This is exactly the kind of environment where AI either proves its value or fails fast. And now, the action plan you came for. Here's your simple 3-step AI action plan for finance and crypto. Step 1. Pick one model. Creators focus on long context models for research and scripting. Traders focus on models strong in math, probabilities, and pattern recognition. Step 2. Deploy one agent. Build a single workflow, signals to alerts or script to video. Keep it simple. Run it locally if possible. Measure results. Step 3. Stay compliant. Watermark AI outputs. Log prompts and decisions, and review performance weekly with human oversight. Do this today, and you're already ahead of most people experimenting blindly. If this helped, like and subscribe for weekly clarity on AI finance and crypto. Comment crypto plan and I'll send the workflow and prompt pack. This is general information only and not financial advice. For personal guidance, please talk to a licensed professional. See you next time.